Welcome. My name is Marla, and I represent Usborne Books and More. Did you know that did you see that? You have a lifetime warranty with Usborne Books and More. Whenever you buy any of our books, you get a 50% discount on books that are damaged or broken, or just had a little wear, and you'd like to replace it and keep it for memories and treasuries. When you buy a book, though, the first 30 days you could return it for free. So, if this is you and you have a problem with any of our books, please don't hesitate to give me a call. And at the next page, I will give you my phone number and my email address so that you could give me a call in case anything happens. Thank you very much. Okay, contact me at 720-937-4524 or send me a message at Marla UsborneStorytamers.com. Marla at UsborneStorytamers.com. Thank you very much.